Hey, we are back and gonna make a quick video. We are watching the GBP USD, as you can see. So, as you can see, I have marked the new week opening up right here. And here's a terminal view NWOG. So this is the middle of the new week opening up. So you need to mark this like closing price on the Friday and opening price on the Sunday, okay? And just take your PIB and mark this equilibrium right here. So we had this 4-hour order block right here. I'll give you the proof that it's the 4-hour order block right here, as you can see. And this showing the liquidity. So it's gonna 15-minute chart right now. So we have market maker buy model right here, okay? Because as you can see, we have original consolidation here and price drops into discount array, point of interest. We had shifting market structure right here, fair value gap, fair value gap right here. You can see how price reacts into it. Give me a sec. So we have this original consolidation right here. Quickly work this out like this. And so when you take the trade, you can target consolidations like here or here. So we had this original consolidation right here, as you can see. So this is the market maker buy model. We have smart money also right here and accumulation of the longs right here, okay? So after price reacts into it, we had break-in market structure right here. So price took this equal highs and respect the fair value, okay, which means we are likely to move higher. So, and price also this order block and the fair value right here. As you can see, so guys, just mark this out. So you can see this is London kill zone right here. So you can take a easy peep trade right here and put your stop loss under the swing low, as you can see. 3 candle formation here and target the strong liquidity. So easy 60 pips guys right here, and see you in the next video.